So thank you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fred Moa as always, and today I'll be teaching you about the song. This called Aulaye Mwili, Wangu, and there's a person who requested this song, so I have to make this tutorial for him. But today I'll be shifting from G. We used to play from G. We used to play with white notes, but today I'll be shifting to black notes, and I have to show you how to play the piano with black notes. You have just first to know the melody of F sharp. I'll be using F sharp, the scale of F sharp, and we shall be using the transpose to find our appropriate key. So we shall be using do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So you see the key. So we shall be using that scale, and we shall be playing our song now on black notes, because people have been asking me on how you can play on black notes. So I have to show you how to play on these black notes. Yeah, the only white note that we shall be using is this and this, B and F. So without wasting the time, let's start learning on how to play Aulaye Mwili Wangu, and we shall start to find the melody. I have not played this song for a while, so we shall find the melody with you just here on my channel. So let's find. So it's very simple. So you are starting from this note, 1 2 3, from the third, like this. You are starting with these 3 black notes. So you are starting like, then back. You see, and then here. So we start again. Then the verse, you have to repeat the same thing. Just you have to know that we are starting from this note. This is called B flat. It's known as B flat on the piano. This note is called B flat. Repeat the same thing. And then the verse, Aulaye Mwili Wangu, it repeats itself. So it's just simple like that. That is the full verse. Then the chorus repeats itself. So start the melody, and now I have to teach you. We have to find the chords. Let's find our chords. So it's starting. Aulaye, Aulaye. Then back. So we are starting from F sharp. First, this is second inversion, and then you go to the root. Repeat there, the same thing. Like that. I know you can see the note that I'm holding. I'm holding this, and this, and next. Back, you are going like this, and then you are returning back to where you started. So it's going like this. Let me play slowly. Let's start again. And then we are going to play with the both hands. So let's welcome our right hand and left hand. Again, let me play slowly so that you can see what I'm doing. Then after that we are going to welcome our beat, and then we're going to play our song. Then we shall meet on the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's find our tempo with our tempo tapper. I shown you how to find the tempo. You click, you tap 4 times. 1, Aulaye. That's how you find your tempo. guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's meet on the next tutorial. Thank you guys, and God bless you.